Hello my YouTube friends. Today I will show you the beautiful switch designs. These switch designs are very beautiful and unique ideas for my friends. You can decorate with this switch designs. You decorate with your kids' rooms, your bedroom, your kitchen, and your dining room. It's very unique and different designs, different idea, unique idea. Personally, I love this idea. I hope my all YouTube friends are like these ideas. My video is my beginner friends and creation make people's creation working business people's. I try my best a good video for you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, share my videos and support my videos. Your support and your appreciation is very important for me. I love your support and your comments. Your appreciation and support and comments, it's very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. All my friends can benefit from this video of them. All those friends who are interested in creation work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing creation business can also benefit from it. I'm trying to good videos for you. I need your help and appreciation and support. If you like the video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.